Osaka! Yay! Hello everyone! Welcome to another travel vlog. Today we are flying back to Osaka, Japan. Pero yung different ngayon is I will be traveling with the titas this time. So hindi naman kasama yung fambam. Kasama ko lang ngayon ang aming dakilang driver for the day, si Daddy George, pero iwan na naman siya. So I will be traveling with my BFFs to Japan, yung mga kasama ko din sa Hong Kong last time. So kaming tatlo naman ulit yung mamamasyal sa Osaka, Japan. So we'll see how the titas this time will go around Osaka. Tingnan natin kung saan kami makakarating. We will be staying for 4 nights and 5 days. And at the end of the vlog, I will also share with you kung magkano yung naging total expense namin. Kasi ang target namin is hindi kami dapat lalampas ng 60,000 pesos. Lahat-lahat na, including airfare, including accommodation. So yun yung target na sinet namin for ourselves. Actually, initial target namin is 50,000. So we'll see if we can meet that. And yung maximum budget na sinet namin is 60,000. Pero syempre hindi kasama yung shopping. That's a different story. At yung ano lang, yung normal everyday expenses. So we'll see. Papunta na kami ngayon para sunduin yung girls. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye! Here at the airport with the girls. Bye, Daddy!
Bye-bye!
Don't cry! Okay. Daddy George, our driver.
Where's my key?
We're already here, ha?
The car key.
Nandun. Bye, Daddy! Bye! Hello! We're already here at the airport. Kasama ko na ang aking mga BFFs. Yes, may Constance. So anyway, also a quick update. Ang galing ng improvement ng immigration here at the airport now. In Terminal 3 in particular, immigration was very fast. Less than 10 minutes kami. Ang bilis na ng process nila. So, good job. Good job na Iya for that. I don't know if it's a regular thing already or konti lang yung pasahero ngayon, but March has left. Yeah.
Fast. So, very good.
So, yeah, sana ganyan na yung yung immigration process. So now we will just have lunch first because we still have 1 hour more to wait before the boarding time.
Hi, Yago!
Hi, Yago! We're flying to Osaka today. Hello! We are already here in Kansai Airport. Welcome to Osaka again. So finally we're out. Time check, it's 8:20 p.m. already. We arrived mga 6:40 dito sa Osaka, pero medyo natagalan yung baggage namin. And just a quick update, actually, medyo ng problema kasi kami ng konti dahil akala namin magiging homeless kami dito sa Osaka. Dahil up until baggage claim, until I called actually the hotel, wala pa silang pinapadalang check-in instructions sa amin. So, tumawag ako kanina sa Manila. Ang sinabi nila nung natawagan ko, out of business na si hotel. So medyo kinabahan kami ng konti. Boarding na kami. So sinubukan namin yung isang number and lo and behold, yun pala yung contact number nila. So buti naman, dumating na yung email and may hotel na kami. We will not be homeless anymore. So there! Welcome to Osaka! Yay! Anyway, we will be on our way to the Airport Express. I already booked our tickets from Klook, but I think we have to reserve the seats first. So, yun muna yung gagawin namin. Hindi ko pa siya ni-reserve kasi hindi ko alam kung anong oras kami makakalabas ng airport. Okay, we're out. Weather update. It's 15 degrees here at the airport, dito sa Kansai Airport. And it's just comfortable. Pero naka-jacket na kami. Pero hindi pa naman kailangan na thermal lamig. 15 degrees. So again, we are already here dun sa train station. We will just reserve our seats dun sa binili kong ticket sa Klook kasi kailangan muna namin mag-reserve ng seat. At huhulaan pa namin kung paano because hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano siya. Ay! Ay, sorry. Ayan. So, we will book first. Hi, just a quick update. We're already here sa train station. Medyo nagkakaroon lang kami ng problema sa pag-access ng QR code ni Airport Express kasi hindi pwedeng screenshot yung QR code. You have to send it to each individual. Hindi ma-open ni Mar yung email. So, medyo nahihirapan kaming i-transfer yung QR code sa kanya. So, ganun siya kapag kay Klook binili yung Nankay Airport Express. Our train is here. Medyo nagka-problema kami sa claiming ni Klook, ha. Yung hindi lumalabas yung QR code, nag-error. Lumalabas siya actually, pero nagsisystem error. Pero pinapasok pa rin nila kami. So, we'll see when we get to Namba. Another update, guys. Another problem. So, hindi namin nagamit yung QR code ni Klook. Ayaw siyang tanggapin. So, they gave us this naman. Sheet of paper na ito na lang daw i-present namin. Pagdating namin dito, actually naka-reserve naman kami ng seat. Technically. Pero may nakaupo na dun sa kinuha namin. So, nakatayo kami. Mga squatters. Kanina homeless. Uy, na-upgrade na kami. Kanina homeless kami. Ngayon squatter. Ganda pa naman sana na upuan, di ba? So, hindi kami nakaupo. What an experience. May iba palang squatter, hindi pala kami. Nahiya lang kami mag-approach kanina kasi we don't have a physical ticket. Pero kami pala yung deserving. Yes. Hello! So, nandito na kami sa Tengachaya Station. Nakaupo naman kami. Apparently, sa amin naman pala talaga yung seat na car 2, 30, 31, 32. Kasi nung sumakay kami, may nakaupo. Tapos nahiya kaming mag-question kasi wala kaming physical ticket. Kasi hindi nga na-scan yung QR code namin. So, buti na lang si conductor, nung dumating siya, I showed him the reservation that we had online. Pinaalis niya yung mga nakaupo. So, kami naman pala yung deserving dun sa seat. So, hindi naman pala kami squatter. Anyway, we're here in Tengachaya Station. Ito yung station namin nung pupunta kami sa Osaka last year. So, bibili naman kami ng ticket, local line, going to Nihonbashi na to go to our apartment. Ba ako? Yes. Ayan, we're in. Nihonbashi! We're here. We're here na in Nihonbashi. Nag-elevator kami going up kasi may bagahe kami. So we need to cross the street. Our hotel is that one. The one with the long line na ilaw. So that's already our hotel. So tatawid muna kami. Guys, malamig. It's cold. My leather is not leathering. Medyo thermal feels. Kailangan ng thermal.
You need layering.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna cross. Dito kami nag-book before. Family Mart itong part na to. Ayan. Nawala na siya. That used to be our hotel. Ayan. Ito, dati siyang Family Mart, if I remember correctly. Anyway, our hotel is here already. Katabi niya si Yayoi. Ito siya. Ocean Nihonichi. So, tingnan natin kung hindi na kami magkakaproblema. Akala namin homeless kami tonight. Oh, it's open already. So, we will just go in. We register. Okay. So, there's an iPad for registration. Here's the instructions. May English naman dun sa dulo.
How to check?
So, we will check in first. Okay. So, dear valued guests, read this. We have recently observed that some arriving guests are unsure of how to check in. Guests who book through Agoda may experience issues due to the website's encryption, which can prevent them from receiving check-in information. Ayan pala.
Congratulations. Picture and
If you can't find the email, please contact us using the following methods and provide a screenshot of your order. Ah, okay. So, kung dumating naman pala kami din dito without the code, ito nga, may instructions naman. May instructions naman. Alam nyo, inisip talaga namin, lilipat na kami ng hotel kasi akala namin homeless na kami. So, there. And we have a hotel. So, we'll see also if this is going to be worth it. I'll let you know at the end of the vlog how much we paid for the hotel. And again, I will share with you our total expenses for the trip. So habang nag-check-in sila, I'll just give you again an update on our rapid experience. So I booked it from Klook for 488 pesos per person. Tapos yung instruction niya kasi is open the link and then you can reserve the seats there. Nagawa naman namin yun. Nakapag-reserve kami ng seats. Pero nung downloading na ng QR code, nagkakaproblema kami kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin in one phone. I have to distribute it to each of them. And nung ginawa ko, shinare ko na sa kanila yung link. Hindi namin siya ma-open for some reason. Ako na-open ko yung sa akin. I guess because I'm the primary owner. Gumana siya. Pero yung sa kanilang dalawa, nagsisystem error na. So, binigyan lang kami nung card. Ay, sinubmit ko na. Yung kaninang parang paper pass namin na hindi na process yung QR code namin. Tapos pagdating namin dun sa train, may nakaupo dun sa seat na nireserve namin. So, hindi namin alam. Siyempre, hindi kami makapag-demand kasi wala kaming proof talaga na na-reserve namin yung ticket. Pero actually, dapat naka-reserve nga siya sa amin. Kaya medyo naging squatter kami ng konti dun sa train. Nakakahiya kasi lipat kami ng lipat. Kasi may nakaupo dun sa upuan namin hanggang sa yung conductor nga arrived and helped us. So, chinek niya, kami naman pala dapat yung nakaupo dun sa upuan. So, kahit papano, kahit mga 10 minutes din yun, no, nakaupo naman kami.
Just pala it's Mr. Miyagi.
Oo, si conductor. Ang bait niya. Tinulungan niya kami kasi talaga nakatayo kami lang dun sa gitna. Ayan. So, first day in Osaka, ang mga titas, adventure agad. Akala namin wala kaming hotel. Tapos nagka-problema pa kami sa airport express namin, sa Rapid Express. But now we're here. Hopefully everything will be smooth already after this. Gutom na kami. Because it's 10 p.m. Ang last meal namin was sa plane pa kanina.
Oh.
So it's my turn to check in. Tapos na sila. So when you check in, you just need to type your name.
Say hi, Mar.
Hi!
Sorry. Occupation.
May occupation.
Kami na naman other doctors doctor.
Nilagay ko na yung mga details ko. And then we take a photo of the passport. So lahat kami nag-take ng picture ng passport.
Let's avoid the noise. Hagardang hagardo ko.
Diba? Kasi pandemic to, guys. Huwag na natin ipakita yung picture ko. Tapos, ang appointment namin sa passport, 2 p.m. Natawag kami 10 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
So, ang itsura ko, Hagardo
This is
Versosa.
administrative guidance. We'll be recording a video in the camera and say your name in order.
Okay.
So,
So, may pa-video.
May pa-video.
Hindi.
So,
Shoot. Then you say your name. Right, we have successfully checked in. Grabe, may pa-video. Kailangan one by one with your names. So, paakit na kami sa hotel. We'll see how it looks like. Hopefully, it will be nice and comfortable for the three of us. Guys, ito na ang aming room. Let's see.
first view.
Teka, walang ilaw. First view. Wait. we will remove our shoes first. Full length mirror here. Okay, tanggal muna ng shoes. Here's our dining area. Nandyan yung bathroom, the hallway. Ayan, ina-explore nila. Mamaya na ako magbibigay ng room tour. Yes, detailed room tour. So, silipin muna natin ng kwarto. Ang dilim. Puro hallway. ang daming cabinets. Oh, and this is the room. Ay, where's the light? There! Oh, not bad. There. This is the room. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. I'm here in the bedroom. That's the hallway where Mar is. It's full of storage.
Yes.
Yeah. And then the dining area and the door. So, I will just give you a more detailed room tour of our room here in Ocean Nihonichi. So, upon entering the door, nandito yung shoe rack. Meron namang house slippers. Ayan, for the 3 of us. And then, full-length mirror. Tulad kanina. Ayan. This is the hallway. This is the toilet. Ayan, ito yung favorite naming toilet sa Japan kasi it's so efficient that when you flush, diba, yung clean water, you can already use it to wash your hands too. So, saving water, very efficient. Hindi namin alam ba't hindi natin magawa to sa Pilipinas. So, sana ma-apply din natin yan. And then, over here on the side is a storage area. So, andyan yung mga maleta namin. At least, hindi namin siya kailangan ilagay sa bedroom. And then, this is the washroom with the washing machine, the sink. We have towels naman. Amenities. Ang amenities nila, we have razor. We have cotton buds, cotton, and toothbrush. The washing machine, the sink, and the shower. So, the typical shower of Japan. Japanese shower. And ang galing, we have a dining area that's separate. Hi! A small ref. Actually, may TV din dito. Pero hindi ko alam kung gumagana yan. There. And here's the small kitchenette.
With utensils.
With everything actually. So you can cook, you can eat here. And ito, ang daming storage that we can use. Tama? Yan. It's closet. This whole length. And ayan.
2 queen beds.
2 queen beds. Here is the bedroom. Medyo masikip yung bedroom, but because we have space for the luggage outside, it's fine. Yeah, we don't have to put it here. Ayan. So, 2 queen beds. And with sockets beside the bed. So, that's good. That's a good touch, yes, for charging. So, there. So, there guys. This is our room. Again, it's Ocean Nihonichi. It's very near Nihonbashi Station. Lumabas lang kami ng gate 5, exit 5 because that's the one with the elevator. Tas tumawid lang kami across the street. And we're here already. So, price reveal later kasi si Pia yung nag-book. Tatanungin ko muna siya kung magkano yung na-book ng hotel namin. So, now we will be going to dinner first. Since it's 10:30. Yeah, so since it's 10:30 already. See ya! We're here! We are already in Dotonbori Street. Guys, 12 degrees tonight. Malamig. It's her first time here in Osaka.
Yeah.
She's only been in Tokyo.
And I bumped into my
Yeah, kakakita lang niya sa isang kakilala niya. Nasabay pa na namin sa plane. Hindi kami nagkita. And they're here now also in Dotonbori.
So many things to see.
Yes, no? Amazing. Ayan. Dotonbori, although marami na sigurong sarado kasi it's already 10:30. We'll just eat at Ichiran. Ayan. So that's the kanto. Diyan kami galing. So, kahit sila yung kasama ko, they want to maintain the tradition of eating at Ichiran on the first night. So, Ichiran pa rin kami pagdating ng Japan. So again, guys, ang lamig. It's 12 degrees pero wala akong thermal. For me, kaya naman, tolerable, pero better with thermal. But that's me.
You do layers.
Kasi ginawin ako. Sorry, may kamote, Ate Mabel. Buday, kamote. Nagpapabili siya ng kamote. Ayan, so, again, it's 12 degrees tonight. Malamig. For me, medyo considered thermal weather na siya. Wala akong thermal. It's just my leather jacket and the shirt. Hindi pa kami nagpalit. We'll see tomorrow.
George, muscat.
Oh, ayan ang mga fruits. Daddy, there's your muscat grapes. Yeah. Oh, there is? Oh, yeah. Oh, let's buy na later. Oh, magsasara siya. There's your strawberry. There's your grapes. Oh, there's Crimea here. Crimea also. Magkano? Yung Crimea.
650.
650.
See, I told you it would be cheap.
Yeah. And more fruits, Daddy.
George.
Yeah.
George.
And Crimea. Still, Dotonbori tonight. In fairness, not so much people tonight. Unlike nung December last year na nandito kami. Punong-puno siya even at this hour. Kamusta, ladies?
So many things to do. This is the way I like.
Yeah.
It's not too crowded.
Here, another view of Dotonbori. Oh, there's the takoyaki. That's my favorite takoyaki. So, sana ngayon successful na tayo, no?
Are we gonna do it tonight?
We'll see. Dito pala marami ng tao. The normal Dotonbori na. There! We're gonna eat here. Siyempre may pila pa rin at almost 11 p.m. Ichiran! We're here na. Ito na. Pipili na naman kami ng aming Ichiran. So we're inside. Sabi nila 110 minutes waiting time from the outside. Pero mabilis naman. Parang 10 minutes pa lang tayo nandito, no? Parang 10 minutes pa lang kami nandito. Nandito naman na kami sa loob. Parang hindi naman kami abutin ng 100 minutes. Nabudol kami. May pa-Disneyland pa pala dito sa loob. May pila pa. Tapos may pila din doon. May pila pa doon. Akala ko pagpasok ng pinto, yun na lang yung pila. Tapos magbabayad na kami. Disneyland ride pa pala dito sa loob. Success na kami after 1 hour and a half of waiting. Andito na kami. Gutom na kami. Ichiran, we meet again. I miss you. We're done! Success with Ichiran! Oh, ito first timer. How was it?
Nalimutan ko na pumila kami ng matagal nung kumakain na ako ng noodles.
So, sulit siya.
Sulit naman.
Nabudol kami. Akala namin mabilis lang. Hindi. Totoo pala yung sabi nilang 110 minutes. Oh my God, gutom na kami. Imagine it's 1 a.m. already here in Osaka. And malamig. Ayan na, sinara ko na yung jacket ko. Malamig. Super. Anyway, it's so cold. Anyway, pabalik na kami sa hotel. We're just going to pass by 7-Eleven first to get something lang before sleeping also. Grabe, super lamig. Wait, let me just check the weather. Oh! may dumadaan na hangin. I don't know if it's updated, but the weather now is 12 degrees. Kamusta?
Pwede siyang 12. Pero mga 8.
Ganun si Maro.
Kaya lang kasi,
Lagi ko lang iniisip kung para siyang refrigerator. 4 to 8 yun.
kaya lang kasi wala akong thermal. Oh my God.
Meron eh, pero tank top lang.
Ang lamig. Okay.
Sa glove.
I will end our day 1 here kasi magpapahinga na rin kami pagdating din namin sa hotel. So thank you and see you again tomorrow. Good morning.
Yeah, good
Yes.
morning, yes. Day 2 na
Good
actually.
morning. Yeah. Bye.